Wood, an age-old building material, has left its mark on the history of architecture. Structures like townhouses and ancient cathedrals have seen usage and innovation, with wood as a primary material. As technology evolves and urban landscapes grow skyward, wood has emerged as a strong contender to steel and concrete in the area of skyscraper design. Recent advances in engineering, materials science, and construction techniques have welcomed a new era of experimentation, enabling the construction of timber skyscrapers across the world. Timber skyscrapers signify a departure from traditional construction methods, seamlessly blending aesthetics, functionality, and ecological consciousness. Wood as a material, with its inherent strength and impressive fire resistance, presents hope to an industry in pursuit of a more sustainable future. The day has finally arrived. After months of delays, construction on the Edison has finally kicked off in downtown Milwaukee. A 31-story skyscraper set to be North America's tallest mass timber tower, which will use 100,000 cubic feet of lumber in the cross-laminated timber panels and glulam beams over an 8-story post-tensioned concrete base, with the 378-unit development to tower over the 25-story ascent, which was in 2022 certified as the world's tallest timber tower. The first phase of work will see crews focus on repairing the dock wall between the site and Milwaukee River, with groundworks on the tower to begin in the coming weeks. It comes weeks after Neutral found a more efficient parking layout that kept the same number of spaces while reducing the height of the parking structure within the building. The Hartshorn-Plunkett architecture designed skyscraper would be a short hop, skip, and jump from a 50-story timber tower, slated to be the tallest in the world, also developed by Neutral. Developed on the banks of the Milwaukee River, the Edison will quite appropriately be built on the grounds where a historic timber yard once stood. The use of mass timber parts will reduce embodied carbon emissions by up to 70% compared to traditional materials. Mass timber is part of Neutral's mission to construct carbon-neutral buildings. At its completion, the building will be one of the world's tallest mass timber hybrid structures, utilizing nearly 100,000 cubic feet of lumber. Will also set a new, ultra-high standard in green housing, including passive house principles, a high-performance building standard administered by FIAS, Passive House Institute of the U.S. From the groundbreaking, the new building is expected to top out in early 2028, and after a 30-month construction period. In recent months, mass timber-based construction systems have been embraced as a preferred method for mixed-use and residential projects, especially in the 12-18-story sweet spot. Tall timber buildings are now becoming mainstream across the United States, with demand for timber buildings, including the American Midwest, expected to surge 25-fold over the next 50 years. That's because they are lighter, more sustainable, and faster to construct than conventional steel and concrete systems. Do you think wooden skyscrapers will become the dominant buildings of the future? Will we witness a massive architectural revolution in wooden construction soon after the skyscraper's completion? Share your opinion in the comments. And here we come to the end of the video. Don't forget to share the video and subscribe to the channel. To receive the latest skyscraper news, please subscribe.